1. No tool needed, simply remove THW stock bulbs and replace with new bulbs. 2. This headlight bulb is 20% brighter than standard bulb. 3. Long-lasting, up to 550 hours lifetime. 4. Safer driving at night, clearer and brighter, better driving experience. 5.2Pcs, 1 pair, 55W H11 halogen headlight bulbs comes with 1-year warranty. Careful with the halogen bulb. Lifetime will be shorter if you touch it with fingers. Handling the bulb with cloth. Top reviews from the United States. The envelope arrived torn, opened. The envelope came torn, open, but the products inside were perfect.